Are you tired of guessing your meat's doneness? The ARMEATOR Wireless BBQ Thermometer is a game changer. It's like having a personal chef whispering perfect temperatures. This digital thermometer gives instant reads. Furthermore, it works with many cooking methods. You can use it for barbecue, grilling, or oven roasting. Also, it fits in your smoker. Even air fryers are compatible. This versatile tool ensures your food is never undercooked. Conversely, it prevents overcooked, dry meals. The ceramic handle adds a touch of class. This thermometer makes a great gift. Especially, it's perfect for men who love to cook. Consequently, cooking becomes effortless. This ARMEATOR Wireless BBQ Thermometer is incredibly smart. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth. This means you can monitor your food from afar. Imagine relaxing while your steak cooks perfectly. The app is very user-friendly. It guides you to ideal temperatures. Therefore, no more guesswork is needed. It's like having a culinary guardian angel. You get perfect results every time. Moreover, it's suitable for various meats. Use it for steak, chicken, or turkey. Additionally, its instant read feature is fantastic. This thermometer is a kitchen essential. Ultimately, it brings peace of mind. Overall, the ARMEATOR Wireless BBQ Thermometer is a must-have. It simplifies cooking immensely. Finally, it helps you achieve restaurant-quality food. Its durable design promises longevity. Therefore, it's a wise investment. Moreover, it makes cooking fun again. It truly is a kitchen revolution. Many people will appreciate this thermometer. In fact, it makes an excellent present. Hence, consider it for your next gift. You won't regret this purchase. Thus, your culinary adventures will thrive. Pros: fast and accurate readings, easy to get perfectly cooked meat, sleek ceramic handle, clear LCD display, waterproof, easy cleanup, game changer for cooking, grilling, very accurate, easy to use, quality feels great, battery seems to last long, easy to set up with phone, has a magnet for refrigerator. Connected quickly to the app, helps with meat cooking times, works perfectly, no more over smoking meats, improved way of cooking, indispensable tool for oven, grill, smoker, more accurate than others, great for monitoring cool-down features. Smart Bluetooth wireless, digital display, instant read function, food thermometer, barbecue compatible, grill friendly, oven safe, smoker suitable, air fryer use, ceramic handle. The ARMEATOR Smart Meat Thermometer is a wireless device that uses Bluetooth to connect. It shows the temperature on a digital screen right away, so you know when your food is done. You can use it for many cooking methods like barbecue, grilling, baking in the oven, smoking, and even with an air fryer. It has a ceramic handle and is great for cooking different meats like steak, chicken, and turkey, making it a good gift idea. The ARMEATOR Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer is a great tool for cooking. It gives you fast and accurate temperature readings, helping you cook meat perfectly every time. Whether you're grilling, baking, or smoking, it's easy to use, connects quickly to your phone, and has a sleek ceramic handle. Plus, it's waterproof for easy cleaning and has a magnet so you can store it on your fridge. This thermometer is a real game changer for anyone who wants to cook delicious and perfectly done meats.